नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 9वी गणित भाग 1 आणि भाग 2 सेमी आणि मराठी माध्यमांच्या मुलांसाठी सुरू करण्यात आलेल्या अभ्यासमालेतील आजचा 10वा भाग. आज आपण 9 अभ्यासमालेमध्ये आपण संच म्हणजे काय, संचावरील क्रिया, पूरक संच, विश्वसंच यासारख्या घटकांचा अभ्यास आपण यापूर्वी केलेला आहे. आज आपण दिलेल्या संचातील घटकांची संख्या याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Today we are going to learn the number of element in a given set. We have to learn in last lectures given this example for homework. हे उदाहरण आपण मागील लेक्चरमध्ये होमवर्कसाठी दिले होते. ते आपण सविस्तर कसे सोडवतात हे पाहूया. बऱ्याच मुलांना या ठिकाणी थोडीशी अडचण आली होती, म्हणून आपण मागील अभ्यासमालेतील होमवर्क समजून घ्या. U is equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The set A is given 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B is equal to 3, 6, 9. Find A complement, B complement, A union B, A intersection B, A complement union B complement and A complement intersection B complement to find the set. Solution of this question: universal set U is given. U is equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B is equal to in curly bracket 3, 6, 9. First to find the A complement. All element in a U but not in a set A is the A complement. विश्वसंच U मध्ये असलेले परंतु संच A मध्ये नसलेल्या घटकांचा संच म्हणजे A कॉम्प्लिमेंट इज इक्वल टू हियर 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Second, B complement. All elements in a set U but not in a set B. संच U मध्ये असलेले परंतु संच B मध्ये नसलेले घटक म्हणजे B कॉम्प्लिमेंट इज इक्वल टू इन कर्ली ब्रॅकेट 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, 9 हे घटक सोडून संच U मध्ये उर्वरित सर्व घटकांचा संच म्हणजे B कॉम्प्लिमेंट. A union B. Take all element in a set A and B, take together, then we get A union B set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9. All elements in a set A union B. A intersection B. Take common element in a set A and B. संच A आणि B मधील सामायिक घटकांचा संच. In a set A and B contain 6 common element. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to in curly bracket 6 element. A complement union B complement. This is a A complement set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Union of B complement this set 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Take all element in a set A complement and B complement. It is union set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 2, 4, 8. These are the elements in a set A complement union B complement. And number 6, A complement intersection B complement. Take common element in a common element in A complement and B complement set. Therefore, in these two sets contain the common element 1, 5, 7 and 10. This is a set A complement intersection B complement. Second problem. Observe the Venn diagram and write the following set using listing method. First, union set U, second A, third B, fourth A union B. 5 A intersection B, 6 A complement, 7 B complement, 8 A union B complement, and 9 A intersection of B complement. This is a given Venn diagram. Observe this Venn diagram, set A, set B, there is some common part, and the universal set is a rectangular shape. With the help of this Venn diagram, write the following set. First, universal set U. U contain the all element in a set A, B, and U set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All elements contained in a universal set U. Second, set A. This is a circle represent the set A. Set A contain 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is a set A. Set B contain this circle represent the set B. Set B contain element 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. This. 4. A union B. All elements in a set A and B in both circle contain all element of union of set A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. These are A union B set. Number 5, A intersection B. Take common element in a set A and in a set B. This part is the common part. 8 and 10 element contained in a common part. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to 8 and 10. Number 6, A complement. All element in a U but not in a A. Therefore, this set is a A complement. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 हे घटक सोडून U मध्ये उर्वरित घटकांचा संच म्हणजे A complement. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. B complement. All element in a U but not in a set B. B संचामध्ये नसलेले परंतु U मध्ये असलेल्या घटकांचा संच B complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12. A union B of complement. This is a A union B set contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. All elements present in a U but not in a A union B. A union B मध्ये नसलेले परंतु U मध्ये असलेल्या घटकांचा संच म्हणजे A union B चा कॉम्प्लिमेंट सेट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 हे घटक सोडून U मध्ये उर्वरित 9, 11, 12. This is the A union B of complement. And A intersection B complement. All element in a U but not in a A intersection B. A intersection B contain 8 and 10 element. Expect this element remaining in a U, all element of set A intersection B complement. 8 आणि 10 हे घटक सोडून U मध्ये उर्वरित घटकांचा संच म्हणजे A intersection B चा कॉम्प्लिमेंट सेट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, and 12. These are the set rewrite with the help of Venn diagram. वेन चित्राचा उपयोग करून अशा पद्धतीने आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे संच काढू शकतो. Third example, U universal set contain in a curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15. Set A contain 1, 11, 13 and B contain 8, 5, 10, 11, 15. Verify that first A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And second, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Solution of this problem. First, verify that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Solution of this problem: given universal set U is equal to 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 15. Set A and B are given to set A is equal to 1, 11, 13. Set B contain 8, 5, 10, 11 and 15 elements. First, A union B of complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. LHS side is A union B complement. First, to find A union B. A union B is the all elements contained in a set A and B. Set A 1, 11, 13 and set B is the 8, 5, 10, 11, 15. All elements right in a single set. It is a union B set 1, 11, 13, 8, 5, 10 and 15. This is the A union of B set. A युनियन बी म्हणजे संच ए आणि बी मधील सर्व घटक एका संचामध्ये लिहिल्यास A युनियन बी सेट तयार होतो. Then next, to find A union B of complement. All elements in a U but not in a union B. Therefore, A union B of complement 1, 11, 13, 8, 5, 10, 15 हे घटक सोडून संच विश्वसंच U मध्ये असलेले घटक 3, 9 and 12. Therefore, A union B complement is equal to 3, 9, 12. We get equation number 1. RHS side is A complement intersection B complement. First, to find A complement and B complement, and then next take their intersection. First, A complement all element in a U but not in a A. A संचामध्ये नसलेले परंतु U मध्ये असलेल्या घटकांचा संच A complement is equal to 1, 11, 13 घटक सोडून U मध्ये उर्वरित घटक 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. This is the A complement. B complement all elements in a U but not in a set B. B मध्ये नसलेले परंतु संच U मध्ये असलेल्या घटकांचा संच B complement is equal to 1, 3, 9, 12, 13. Therefore, A complement intersection B complement. A complement 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. Intersection B complement set 1, 3, 9, 12, 13. Take all common element in this two set. Which are common element? 3, 9 and 12. Therefore, A complement intersection B complement is equal to, in curly bracket, 3, 9, 12. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, having same set contain exactly same element. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. A union B of complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. अशा पद्धतीने हे सिद्ध होईल. Second, verify that A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Is the same way to verify that. Given universal set U, set A and B are given set, then A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Verify. LHS side is A intersection B of complement. First, to find A intersection B set. A छेद B हा संच प्रथम काढून घ्या. A intersection B, set A and B contain only common element. Which are the common element? 11 is the common element. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to, in curly bracket, contain 11 elements. A छेद B या दोन संचामध्ये एकच कॉमन घटक आहे, तो म्हणजे 11. तो A इंटरसेक्शन B मध्ये 11 एलिमेंट्स येईल. The next, A intersection of B complement. All element in a U but not in a intersection B. 11 हा घटक सोडून U मध्ये उर्वरित सर्व घटकांचा संच 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15. This is the A intersection B of complement set. We get equation number 1. RHS site is A complement union B complement. First to find A complement, all element in a U but not in a set A. This is the A complement is equal to 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. The next to find B complement, all element in a set U but not in a B. It is B complement is equal to in curly bracket 1, 3, 9, 12, 13. Take union of A complement and B complement. All elements in A complement and B complement take in a single set. Therefore, we get 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 13, and 1, 3, and 13. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and from equation 2 contain exactly same element. Hence, from equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That is, A intersection B of complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Hence, it is a proof. Next important part in these chapters is the number of elements in a set. संचामधील घटकांची संख्या. Number of element in a set, first you understand, if A is any set, then the number of element in a set A, it is denoted as number of A. The set A, capital A is the name of set and small n indicate that number of elements. जर A हा संच असेल तर A संचामध्ये एकूण किती घटक आहेत ते दर्शवणारी संख्या म्हणजे संच A मध्ये घटकांची संख्या होय. ते चिन्हामध्ये नंबर ऑफ A या चिन्हाने दर्शवतात. एक्झाम्पल A contain 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. How many elements in a set A? When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, in a set A, there are 9 numbers. Therefore, number of element in a set A is 9. Hence, number of A is equal to 9. In this way, number of element in a set. संचामधील घटकांची संख्या अशा पद्धतीने दाखवली जाते. Example number 2. B is equal to in curly bracket x such that x belongs to natural number x greater than 7 less than equal to 12. Find number of B. First write the given set B in a listing method. B is equal to in curly bracket 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, number of B is equal to 5. Third example, capital A is equal to in curly bracket A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and set B contain A, E, I, O, U. Find number of A union B and number of A intersection B. Solution, given set A and given set B. First to find A union of B means all element in a set A and B right in a single set. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Union set A, E, I, O, U. Take all element in a single set. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, O, U. This is the A union B. How many element in a union B? When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, number of A union B is equal to 11. And second, to find A intersection B. All common element in a set A and B. This is the A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to in curly bracket only common element A, E and I. A, E, I. How many element in a intersection B? When you count 1, 2, 3. Therefore, number of A intersection B is equal to 3. अशा पद्धतीने दिलेल्या संचामध्ये एकूण किती घटक आहेत त्यांची संख्या दर्शविणे म्हणजेच नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन अ सेट. संचामधील घटकांची संख्या दर्शविणे होय. Number of element in a union and intersection of set. Number of element in a union and intersection of two set. दोन संचातील संयोग संच आणि छेद संच यांच्यातील घटकांची संख्या दर्शविणे. By using this relation, number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This formula indicates that the number of elements in union and intersection of set A union B या संचातील घटकांची संख्या बरोबर संच A मधील घटकांची संख्या अधिक संच B मधील घटकांची संख्या वजा A छेद B मधील घटकांची संख्या. Verify this property. Verify the relation between number of elements in a union and intersection for the set. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Let us consider set A. Set A contains 2, 3, 4 and set B contains elements 3, 4, 5, 6. First to find A union B. Take all elements in a set A and B. Then we get A union B is equal to in curly bracket 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A आणि B या दोन संचामधील सर्व घटकांची संख्या म्हणजे A union B. Number of A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of A union B is equal to 5. Then LHS side number of A union B is equal to 5. We get equation number 1. For this equation, LHS side is number of A union B is equal to 5. We get equation number 1. Then RHS side is this number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. First to find number of A. Number of A means how many elements contained in a set A? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, number of A is equal to 3. Number of B is equal to how many elements contained in a set B? B संचामध्ये एकूण किती घटक आहेत? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of B is equal to 4. And to find number of A intersection B, first find A intersection B. Set A 2, 3, 4 intersection set B 3, 4, 5, 6. Take common element. Here 3 and 4 are common element. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to 3, 4. How many elements contained in the A intersection B? There are 2 elements, 1, 2. Hence, number of A intersection B is equal to 2. The LHS side, RHS side is number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of A is a 3, number of B is a 4, 3 plus 4 minus 2. 3 plus 4 is a 7, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. We get equation number 2. From equation 1, number of A union B is equal to 5. And from equation 2, number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B is equal to 5. From equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, this property is verified. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This property is a proof. This is the number of element in union and intersection of set. With the help of this equation or formula or property to find the number of element in a set A or set B or number of element in a set A union B and also find number of A intersection B. अशा पद्धतीने या सूत्राचा उपयोग करून आपण दिलेला संच A मध्ये B मध्ये एकूण किती घटक आहेत किंवा A युनियन B मध्ये एकूण किती घटक आहेत किंवा नंबर ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B यामध्ये एकूण किती घटकांची संख्या आहे यापैकी कोणत्याही एकाची किंमत या सूत्राचा उपयोग करून आपण काढू शकतो. Number of element in union and intersection of two set. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Verify the relation between number of elements in union and intersection for the given by using Venn diagram. Venn diagram च्या मदतीने ही प्रॉपर्टी सिद्ध करा. This is the given Venn diagram. Set A and set B. Given set A contain this element 3, 6, 12, 9, 15. Set B contain 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Therefore, number of A, set A contain how many element? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of A is equal to 5. And set B contain how many element? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of B is equal to 6. Number of A union B. A आणि B या दोन्ही संचामध्ये मिळून एकूण किती घटक आहेत? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. नंबर ऑफ A युनियन B इज इक्वल टू 9. येथे 6 आणि 12 हे दोन्ही संचामध्ये असणारे घटक आहेत. A युनियन B यांचा युनियन सेट लिहिताना त्यामध्ये एकूण किती संख्या आहे ही लिहिताना 6 आणि 12 एकदाच मोजायची आहे. Number of A intersection B is equal to, this is a common part, 6 and 12. There are two elements. Therefore, number of A intersection B is equal to 2. Hence, LHS side, number of A union B is equal to 9. We get equation number 1. And RHS side, number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of A is a 5 plus 6 minus 2. 5 plus 6 is a 11. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, the LHS side is the same, 9, 9. Hence, from equation 1 and 2, LHS side is equal to RHS side. Hence, proof of this property. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Hence, it is a proof. अशा पद्धतीने दिलेल्या संचातील घटकांची संख्या आणि संयोग संच आणि छेद संच यांच्यामध्ये असणारी घटकांची संख्या दर्शवणारी ही प्रॉपर्टीज, हा गुणधर्म किंवा हा नियम, हे सूत्र अशा पद्धतीने सिद्ध केले जाते. Today's homework. Question number 1. Verify the relation between number of elements in union and intersection for the given Venn diagram. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. या दिलेल्या व्हेन चित्राच्या साहाय्याने ही प्रॉपर्टी सिद्ध करा. सेकंड, U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, P, Q, R, S. Set A and set B is a given set. Set A is equal to A, B, C, Q, R and set B contain elements C, D, E, P, Q, R, S. Verify that first A union B of complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And number 2, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. And third problem for homework, verify the relation between number of elements in union and intersection for the set. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Set A is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20 and set B is equal to 10, 20, 30. अशा पद्धतीने आज आपण दिलेल्या संचातील एकूण घटकांची संख्या आणि त्यावरील भरपूर उदाहरणांचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. सर्व मुलांना सूचना आहे की दिलेला होमवर्क वेळेत पूर्ण करा आणि पुढची अभ्यासमालाचा व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी तयार राहा. आणि हो, व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. ओके, थँक्यू.